Hello, I am Jared Garfield. I would like to give you a unique gift. It is a free gift that you can share with others all year long. It has been said that the story of the life of Jesus Christ is the greatest story ever told. The greatest story recounts the appointment of Christ as our Savior before the earth was formed and tells about his foreordained birth, ministry, atonement, death, and resurrection. Then it chronicles the imperial Roman seizure and corruption of the Christian religion. And finally, the story culminates with the Savior's glorious restoration of the Church of Jesus Christ in these last days. I want to thank you in advance for taking the time to watch this video series and caring enough to share it with your family, friends, and others you may choose. I pray that God will bless you and your family with peace and prosperity.